Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Premiere Pro crashing, fix Adobe Premiere Pro quit unexpectedly. The first way is to open up your Creative Cloud app and make sure that Premiere Pro is updated. The next thing is to utilize proxies to use lower resolution of our media files, and this will help Premiere Pro run faster. To do that, go to the File tab at the top left, go to Project Settings, and click on Ingest Settings right here. Click on Action, and you're going to click on Create Proxies. However, I won't be able to do that because Adobe Media Encoder is not installed on my computer, so you can go ahead and download and install this feature by going to this website right here and just click on Action again and click on Create Proxies. Once you have done that, another way is to delete media cache by going to Edit tab at the top left, go to Preferences, and click on Media Cache. We are going to remove media cache files by clicking on this Delete option and select Delete Unused Media Cache Files and click on OK. Click on OK and restart Premiere Pro and see if that solves your problem. If not, the next thing is to check if your graphic drivers are up to date. So you can go to your manufacturer's site and see if your graphics driver is up to date. To check what your graphic driver is, you can go ahead and search for Device Manager, open it up. Let's expand the display adapters, and this is where you can see your graphics driver. You can right click on it and click on Properties, and you can search for your manufacturer's site right here and see if there are any updates for your graphic driver. The last way would be to check if your system meets the minimum requirements. You can check it on Adobe's website. I will also put the link in the description box below, but generally you would need 8 GB of RAM, and it will also help if all your background apps are closed when using Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.